What's up, nation? Welcome to Rona Day 2.
Okay, what's up? We got bro sesh, we got A, B, and C. A, we got 3 sets, 8 to 12 bicep curls, 15 strict dips, and then 8 to 12 reverse wrist curls. So with that, try and use something nice and heavy. The bicep curl, pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you're standing in front of a mirror as you're curling it. Try and slow the movement down, right? Try not to just pump them out as fast as you can. Slow it down, squeeze at the top, control it back down. Like I said, it's mandatory to stand in front of a mirror while you do it. Shirt off. And then 15 strict dips. We should all have a bench or something we can place our hands on. A chair, right? Make sure you pull those shoulder blades back, chest up nice and high, control myself down, I control myself back up. That's it. Bang out 15 of those. And then these reverse curls, if you have a barbell, it might be a little hard, or 2 dumbbells. You're gonna hold the dumbbells or whatever you have here, keep your elbows planted down, right? And I'm curling up and coming back down. So we're just working those forearms, 8 to 12 of those suckers. You rest a minute, and then you'll do it again. So that will be A, B. You have 20 strict high pulls, 20 seated lateral raises, and then a 20-second push-up hold. Same thing, rest a minute when you're done. Your strict high pulls, like I said, if you have dumbbells, cool. Just something heavy where I can pull up, bring it to my chest, control it back down, trying to just pump it out, right? Control that movement up, control it back down. Your seated lateral raises, you'll sit down, controlling it up, controlling it back down. Pretty easy. And then that bottom of the push-up hold yourself at the bottom of the push-up. With your knees or without. And then C, you have 15 weighted V-ups, if you have something that you can use for weighted V-ups, if not, regular V-ups. And then you have 15 side plank rotations. Your side plank rotations will look like so. So make sure my shoulders are stacked, try not to be in this close position, right? I'm reaching as far as I can on the opposite side. If I have like a light weight or a can, I'm gonna reach, open up, that'll be 1. And then I'll go through it again. That'll be 2 until I get to 15, and I'll switch sides. And then when you're done, 30 seconds. Same thing, rest a minute, do it again. So you'll do all 3 sets with a minute rest after each set, and then same with B, same with C. Now warm up, we have 3 sets, 12 reps each. You'll just be on the floor. You got the A, T, Y, and W's, right? You can keep your feet planted. Try and go unbroken on this. So I'm bringing my hands up for 12 reps in that A position, out to the T, out to my Y, and then my W, I'm stacked in. I'm bringing my hands out, tucking them back in for 12. Once I've done 3 sets of that, I'm gonna go right into a 100-meter run, 10 regular pass-throughs, and then 10 down dogs with a push-up. I'm running again, 10 reverse grip pass-throughs, so that reverse grip, I'm just here, reverse grip. As I go through, try to keep your elbows fully locked out as you go through your pass-through. And then your plank rotation with a down dog. So this one, just get started in the push-up, right? I'm rotating. When I come back to the middle, push up, get a little stretch, come back down, step over, open up. Okay, that'll be 2 until I get to 10. And then just a quick little finisher, 3 sets, 10-second side plank hold, 10-second hollow hold, right into the other side for a side plank, into a push-up hold. And here's the finish off with 3 sets. That's it. Remember to wash your hands. Stay safe. See you Monday.